8 things for NRIs to know before they take a home loan in India. Employment status. You need to be a graduate and employed or carrying out business outside India. This includes those posted abroad by the Indian government or companies, or those Indians serving in international agencies like the IMF and UN. Home loans for 80 to 85% of property value. Loans are provided for a property that's ready for possession or under construction. It is also available for construction of property on an owned plot or for alterations to an existing property, or even buying a plot. Loan equivalent 36 to 40 times of gross monthly income. Some banks also go by the ratio of equated monthly installment to get net monthly income, EMI or NMI. The loan amount may depend on your educational qualifications, income levels, place of residence, and other factors. Typically, 5 to 15-year loan term. Extension of loan term at the discretion of the bank and is rare. Higher interest rates. A higher interest charge for NRI home loans to cover the higher risk involved. There is generally a higher margin of 0.25 to 0.50 percentage point charged. Specific document requirements. Among documents required are copies of the passport, valid visa and work permit, contract of employment, work experience certificate, salary certificate, and statements of NRI and NRO accounts. For those residing in the Middle East, copy of the employment card is also required. Salary certificate should be attested from the embassy if the salary is not credited to a bank. Power of attorney needed for Indian representatives. You need a general power of attorney in favor of the resident Indian who would act on your behalf with the bank. If the power of attorney is issued while you are abroad, it needs to be signed in front of the embassy official. The India representatives will need a valid passport, visa, power of attorney for a resident who will legally represent you. Also needed would be proof of residence abroad, salary certificate and bank statements, etc. when you finally submit your loan application. Repayment through remittance. Under RBI rules, the repayment of the housing loan can only be made through overseas remittance from normal banking channels, rental income from impugned property, or through NRI and NRO accounts. The payment has to be made in Indian rupees only. We hope you found this useful. For more, download our mobile app, visit our website www.fundumoney.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel and digital magazine Fundu Money NRI. Also, follow us on Instagram, Pinterest and SlideShare.